Art craft are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best craft supplies for kids from
Number 1 product, Arts Craft Supplies for Kids. 1000 pieces Toddler Craft Art Supply Set include pipe cleaners, pom-poms, storage box. 2023 Best Honest Gift for 5-12 years old boys and girls. Ideal Christmas gifts. All-in-one craft supplies set. This craft art kit comes with everything you need to make creation. It includes pipe cleaners, pom-poms, googly eye, letter beads, sequins, leaves. Number 2 product, Arts Craft Supplies Kits. Materials set for kids, toddler, karaoke. Inclusive craft kit. Looking for a fun one-stop, ready for anything craft supply bundle that covers all the basics. You found it. A huge assortment of materials included are 100 pipe cleaners, 50 colorful popsicle sticks, 100 craft matchsticks, 50 buttons, 100 adhesive googly eyes, 150 assorted size pom-poms, 100 craft feathers, 100 foam sticker shapes, and 1000 sequins. Easy to store. Number 3 product, Dragon to Mega Kids Crafts and Art Supplies Jar Kit. A 1000-piece set of instructional booklet included glitter glue, construction paper, colored popsicle sticks, googly eyes, pipe cleaners. Give kids the greatest variety of artistic tools and options. Plus, a beautiful, full-color instructional booklet that shows them step by step how to create 6 fun projects. Create beautiful bracelets, necklaces, and handmade creations. Massive arts and crafts bundle. Give children a platform to learn, create, and explore the depths of their imagination with this incredible 1000-plus piece arts craft supplies kit. Number 4 product, Eco Craft Sticks for 0.5 colored wooden craft sticks. A pack of 108. Our colored wooden craft sticks are perfect for all at-home or school crafting projects. Each package comes with 100 total sticks coming in a variety mixed colors. All sticks are made from 100 birch wood. Great for group activities, rainy day projects, classroom use, camp and scout crafts, birthday parties, and more. Some sticks came with holes, and definitely the count of each colors is not even. More. Number 5 product, Arts and Crafts Vault. A 1000-piece craft supplies kit library in a box for kids. Spark your creativity. Your complete arts and crafts supply set with over 1000 pieces of arts craft supplies for kids to create and craft. Packaged and stored in a beautiful tool drawer case. Premium value. A kit includes pipe cleaners, fuzzy sticks, pom-pom.
Thank you for watching this video. If you watching this video helpful, please hit subscribe button, press the bell icon and commenting below. Please check out the description to find the links.